ఎవరు ఏమన్నారు? ఎవరు? షుడ్ నాట్ టేక్ ద టాయ్స్. దిస్ సెక్షన్ నాట్ అలౌడ్. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ హియర్ హౌస్ వేర్. లక్కీ డోంట్ క్రై, వి విల్ గో. కిందికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ చూడు, ఇట్రా మనం రోల్ చూద్దాం రా. డస్ట్బిన్ చూడు, హియర్ డస్ట్బిన్. లక్కీ, వేర్ ఆర్ యు మా? వాట్ యు బయింగ్ లక్కీ హియర్? వావ్, వాటర్ బాటిల్సా? Lucky, this is not water bottles for you, okay? Cups. Come. That is not for you. Come, Nana. Lucky, this is all boxes. It's not for you. Come. Lucky, తప్పిపోతావు. నన్ను తప్పించుకొని వెళ్ళిపోయావంటే తప్పిపోతావు. Don't go.
I like unique bottle.
This one? Cup? Show
Yeah.
me. You like this one?
Yeah.
It's unicorn.
Unicorn.
Okay, this is not healthy one.
Huh?
Okay, take. It's not healthy, Nana.
Huh?
It's not healthy one.
So,
You go, come.
this is healthy one. You're lying. I'm not lying.
So 1 kg, 1 kg. So here, let's give it a close look. Actually, I need to buy something. I think this one is good. Lock, so that kids cannot look. This is good. Yummy. This is good. So lock. Into why actually? I think this is good for Lucky stationery. So 2 kg. It's good. I want this one for keeping my clothes or stationery. This is for stationery. Why this is too much cost? 2 rupees. Yeah, baby. See, flamingo.
Mommy,
Yes.
I'm coming.
What did you got now?
I got this.
Oh my God.
I got this.
What are you getting mistake. Sorry.
Me, I got the top.
Socks.
Yeah.
This is for very small kids, not for you. It's a small kids, not for you. Buy, bring this big one. Yeah. I think these are the best thing we can divide. Oh, yeah. I think these are the best one. So what is the price for this? So many ideas. I think we can divide this one. No. For the socks, these are the best one. These are living basket. So many options are there. But so 1 kg. Storage boxes. They have many collection. Each chubby one. Very nice. Cute, no? Very cute. Which color you like, guys? I like what? I doesn't like white is better. And hey, look at here. So many collections. So many collections. Divides. I want to take this kind of. Lucky, where are you, ma? Come bring.
This?
From where you are bringing this one socks?
Yeah.
This is also.
Huh?
This one also big, small one. No. We'll go. I'll take. Go and keep it there. We will go. We both will go. Storage box. This is this lid is good actually. Here they keep all the offer ones. Let's go to this side. Hey guys, look at here. Wow, nice collection, no? What is I like the one. How is this, guys? Nice, no? So cute one. Very cute, right? So it's the price 500 fils. It's nice. Roba only. Wow, nice. Made in China. Everything made in China, baboy. How this looks nice. Made in China. Pizza. What you bought again? You want socks?
Yeah.
See, this is 12 months baby, 1 year baby ka. I will come, Lucky. We will both will go. Come this side. So this is all, guys, for the storage. They have many collections. Nice, no? 3-tier trolley storage.
Mommy will take this.
Function.
Mommy will take this one.
Okay, Nana. Come. Come, Lucky. Lucky. Made in Turkey. Hey, what you found? Kitty box. Why you want this box, Nona?
This one is so cute.
Color is cute. What you will do with this?
Huh?
You can't manage this one lunch box.
The more. Huh? I like this.
No, I don't.
My favorite.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. This is my favorite.
How you will take this one? School.
Soon?
Any your friends is taking this one? Any friends is
Yeah.
bringing same?
Yeah.
How they will eat? How you will open?
I know how to open.
No. This is not good for. These are good.
Look, it is good.
That is stay. No need. Okay, that's fine. But that is not.
నేను
required.
తెచ్చుకున్నా నేను ఒక్కటే తెచ్చుకుంటాను
This one.
ఒక్కటే తెచ్చుకుంటాను ఒక్కటే తెచ్చుకుంటాను నేను అవి తెచ్చుకోను ఒక్కటే
Show me how you will open this one. This one first. Wait here. Open. How you open this one? Show me. You know how to open this one? It's not comfortable, Lucky. To taking.
Like this.
It's not easy, Lucky.
You see.
No need, Lucky. This one. Okay, very difficult. Wait.
Like this. Open here.
No need, Lucky. This one.
Please.
Okay. Okay. Now open.
Open. Like this.
Oh, inside lunch box.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me open.
Spoons.
Spoons is there.
I have bottle.
I don't like Lucky.
I like this.
No, no.
I like it. No.
How you will open? You can't open this one. It's
Huh?
very tough.
Huh?
It's very tough, Mama.
Like this too.
This is not healthy, Lucky.
Mommy,
Which color you want?
this color
That color
or this one?
or this color?
This.
Which one you want?
This.
This one. Take.
You put here.
Sure. huh? You like that color?
Yeah. Purple color, my favorite.
Why you want that?
That one. Mom. I want dinner. Mommy,
Mm.
I want dinner.
Okay, come.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I want dinner.
Dinsa.
Mommy,
Pillows.
mommy,
What?
drinks కావాలి.
పిల్లో ఎందుకు వీ హ్యావ్ కదా మన ఇంట్లో ఉందిరా
నాకు ఇవే కావాలి.
నో నీడ్
నాకు ఇవి కావాలి.
వచ్చి బాగాలేవు మనము ఐకియాకి వెళ్తాంలో అక్కడ బాగుంటాయి అక్కడ తీసుకుందామా
ఇది cute గా ఉంది.
మ్మ్.
ఇది పంపలే. నాకు ఇది ఇష్టం. నువ్వు ఇది ఇస్తావా?
మ్మ్.
నువ్వు అది కూడా ఇస్తావా?
ఇక్కడ అవసరం లేదురా నాన్న ఇగో దట్ సైడ్ హియర్ సాక్స్ లక్కీ పాప నువ్వు దాన్ని పట్టుకొని ఏంటి ఒకటేమని
అమ్మ బేబీ చికెన్. అమ్మ ఫేవరెట్ ఉన్నాయి. అమ్మ
Hmm. Okay, come, Nana. We'll go this side, please. Hmm.
Mommy, I want this one.
Which one?
Mommy,
Chodu.
I want this. Mommy, I want this.
Why are you scared? What is that? Show me. You know what is it? తెలుసా నీకు వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్? తినేది కాదు అది. కుకింగ్ ఫర్ కుకింగ్ దట్ వన్.
నువ్వు కుకింగ్ చేస్తావా? అది కుకింగ్ చేస్తావా?
దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్ మేడ్ ఇన్ చైనా.
నేను కొనేస్తావు, నేను చిల్లీలు యూజ్ చేస్తాను అందుకే.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, అవన్నీ కుకింగ్ నాన్న.
కుకింగ్ చేయాలి.
అడబెట్టు.
అది నీ కుక్కి చేయని చేసి.
సరే సరే.
ఇది ఇష్టం.
ఇది ఇష్టం. పిచ్చివని
అది చాలా బాగుంటుంది. పాపలు తింటాది, హ్యాపీగా తెచ్చుకుంటాది. I will take it. Mommy, I will take this.
Not nice. No need. ఎందుకు అవి? అవి కుకింగ్, నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ యూ.
I like cooking. Mommy, I like it cooking. Never put some away. Never put
Made in Turkey, Saffron. This is also made in Turkey. సో కువైట్లో ఇవైతే చాలా బాగుంటాయి. ఐ లవ్ దిస్ స్టీల్ ఈస్ గుడ్, రైట్? ఐ థింక్ దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ గుడ్. ఎక్కడ? ఓకే, కమ్. Hey, I love this brand, Tefal. Yes, ma. Okay, don't shout, okay? I will come. You go. Tefal. I want to see. My God, it's really increased the prices. Mother. Brother, mother, tell me, baby.
I got it.
No need, keep it there. We have good collection. This one to keep curries.
నేను ఇది విత్తాను.
Hey, don't keep. Come. లక్కీ, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు లక్కీ? We'll go, come. లక్కీ, Lucky, come. Crockeries. Each one KD. 850. Oh.
Mummy,
Hmm?
mummy.
ఎస్ మమ్మీ. పడిపోయింది అనుకో డబ్బులు కట్టాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఆరెంజ్
Orange.
నైస్. వేర్ యూ ఫోన్?
Show you. That side.
ఓకేలే.
Here.
హియర్. ఓ ఆఫ్ కేడీ.
Yes, yes.
ఓకే. ఇట్స్ గ్లాస్ బేబీ, పగిలిపోద్ది.
You like this.
ఐ లైక్ దిస్ లే. కమ్.
Mummy,
We came for something else.
Tomorrow చేసుకుంటాం.
ఆయిల్ వేసుకోవడానికి.
Oil.
వేసుకో. టుమారో తీసుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు చూసేసి వెళ్ళి టుమారో వచ్చి తీసుకుందాం. షుగర్ పాట్. How is this, friends? Nice, no? 2.5 KD. So all class items. Lucky, where are you? Lucky, what you doing? Get up.
Mummy, I got it. Front.
ఏం చేయలేం రా. బాగుందిలే. Come.
On it. She will come here. Mummy, all are not moving. Mummy, all are not moving.
Okay.
Why are you moving?
Come.
Why are you doing like this? What?
Nothing.
Why is she doing like this?